Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to auto-fit all the columns and rows in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the problem. Here we have a spreadsheet, and you can see that the column widths vary a lot. Some columns are too wide, some too narrow, and some data even shows up as hashtags because it doesn't fit in the cell. It just looks messy and makes it hard to read your data. Let's fix this with 3 methods. Method 1. Click and drag across all the column letters to select them. In this example, columns A through O. Move your mouse between any 2 column letters, say K and L, and double-click. Instantly, all the columns are perfectly auto-fit to the content. You can do the same for rows. Click and drag all the row numbers, then double-click between any 2. Now all rows are perfectly auto-fit as well. Tip: if you want to undo, just hold Ctrl and tap Z twice. Method 2. This method keeps your hands on the keyboard and can be faster. Hold Ctrl and tap A to select the entire spreadsheet. Hold Alt, then tap the letters HOI in sequence. Alt, HOI. This auto-fits all the columns. To auto-fit the rows, hold Alt again and tap HOA, Alt, HOA. Now both columns and rows are perfectly auto-fit. Tip: undo with Ctrl+Z if you want to reset. Method 3. This method requires the mouse. Hold Ctrl and tap A to select the entire spreadsheet. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, then in the Cells group, click Format. Choose Auto-Fit Column Width. Go back to Format, and now choose Auto-Fit Row Height. Now your spreadsheet is perfectly auto-fit using the ribbon options. So there you have it. 3 ways to auto-fit all columns and rows in Excel. Which method do you prefer? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll get notified when I post a new video.